it's Adrian Crawford. Welcome to Williams Crawford Walkabout Wednesday here in Saltash. It's a slightly bleak day, but in the showroom we got some really nice stuff. Come with me, I'll show you around. First off, I think 964, how nice is that looking? It's a Targa, it's a C2 manual, and look at that interior. Called Pinstripe, dark blue Pinstripe. Really unusual car nowadays, and I'm sure that'll go quickly. Note 2, design 90 wheels, flag mirrors, exactly as they once were. There's the lovely Leanne in the background. Now into the showroom. Cayman R in Peridot. This attracts me. 981 Cayman in a bright red on a 13. I think it's a good colour for that car. .981 GT4 Club Sport. Really very good piece of kit, and note this one's on ceramics. And then right beside it, 911 Carrera GTS, I think with just 3,000 miles, and it looks like new. Put your nose in, smells like new. Now let's see what else we have. Just past a Cayman S PDK and a 4S tip. Another 981 Cayman S. No. Not quite a Porsche, but beautifully presented Bentley Continental GTC with just 3,000 odd miles. Very different. We do handle a few of these, usually for Porsche customers. Now, the Yaris you'll see on the website, that's essentially prepared for track use. This is just come in for resale. It's a 911 ST that we built. Beautiful car, really raw and special. Now let's see what else I can find you that catches the eye today. 944 Turbo Cab, lost car really. This one is pre-production, and I've handled it before, and is a bit of something really special. I've got a soft spot for that 993 Cabrio because it's done 18,000 miles, and beside it a very nice Cobra, and well worth looking at. Left-hand drive Z3 Coupe. Now not Z3M, but it does have the flared arches. It's a 3-litre automatic, and it is clean as a pin. 911 Turbo S. Do you know what? It's so nice to see such a variety in the showroom. Outside, well, I'm not going to go today, is Macan, Cayman, and a few others. It's a very brief Walkabout Wednesday. It's just from, oh hang on, I'm going to stop here for a minute. C4S, that's lovely. I know it's a low mileage car. I hope that gives you a little bit of a warm-up on a dull day. If there's anything we can do for you, or anything that's caught your eye, or maybe you need to make a bit of space in your garage, give us a call. I'm Adrian Crawford. It's Walkabout Wednesday. We look forward to hearing from you.